A 3-day knockout football tournament organized by the Fkjgp Sohryngkham Circle had concluded at MADAN JINGAPKHAW at Sohryngkham village on the 26th of April 2021. A felicitation ceremony was organized on the final day of the football tournament for outstanding personalities from all spheres of society hailing from Sohryngkham constituency. Speaking to newspersons, the advisor of the Fkjgp Sohryngkham Circle, RAKESH NONGBRI, said that the felicitation of personalities from Sohryngkham is a recognition of their effort towards their contribution to the society. The Fkjgp advisor also said that the program was also organized with an objective to encourage the youth of the area to secure a better future for themselves through their skills and talent.
Di pengunjung kini kelong bangin bentuk burom ya kinong Shillong jok kinong Sohryngkham ki badan sibun ki jingnok senyang kam ke baki kitre te kum kinong hikai ki doktor te ki badan hakajong kedan kum ki navy ki bayo mi lingkong nani ki kinong Sohryngkham padan munu mai navy te kum ju i professor i badai physics department physics dak Shillong NONGBRI badai assistant professor i badingkong nang kinong Sohryngkham te kum kasnong bat kiwi te kitu kiba ya kasnam kumba kitu kiba ada wai kasi sila dan ke jingnok senyang apa kasnong Sohryngkham kantam iwe itu bapu pesen amar mentah bangi kum kinong ram sibun ni kenduk kijing kala kum dat kenyang kumpu pesen dai mai ibla sumar habro oi kasnong Sohryngkham te kum kasnong dan kata kijing sorong ya kasnong bangi mi kum kini ki rirong ba bi kon samla ki barang lah kacang kedan bagian wan rai kana ke burom kasnong